The Modi government has given a huge impetus to provide jobs, to provide livelihood opportunities to youth of India. And from that point of view, scientifically speaking also, when all of the other states get saturated with their revenues, it is northeast which still remains unexplored. So it has got virgin avenues. Because when you have nothing left elsewhere, you would still have something to be offered to you by Northeast, whether it's in form of handicraft, whether it's in form of horticulture, whether it's in form of entrepreneurship, whether it's in form of tourism, whether it's in part of putting up power projects and small solar projects. And that is why after Prime Minister began with the Startup India, my ancestors motor cars. In Mexico, they would see a city, a bus coming from the city once in a day. Today, we have a regular train running between Itanagar and Delhi. We have a double gauge rail track being put all across Northeast, except perhaps Singham, which is going to take some time. We are going to have
走那他们你都拢对咯。 全套地咧嘛 PhD mystery มีเขาเกาหลีหัวมันทีละทักกระโซมาหอยน่ะหอยกันเด่นจอยแล้วตัวนี้พดแบงเลยครับพ่อ
มาตกแอม
อ๋อ